Okay, guys, I know this next part is going to be a little tricky, but stay with me. So, right after the whip, you're going to put your hand on your hip, your hand in the ear. I don't know if you guys seen single ladies before, but I'm just saying. So, it's one, two, and then you look like you're about to go for the third one, but then you go like you're spitting fire, or you're throwing up, and you go across. So that's two times, and then when it looks like you're about to throw up again, you then hit him with the slight dab, and then the bigger dab, and then you're just gonna want to hit one, two. Wait, yeah, you're gonna want to hit one, two. You're gonna flex your wrist. Then you're gonna go into like a body roll, like you're digesting the food. You're gonna good food, and then you're gonna charge it up and big milli rock, and that's it, guys. Um, Hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did, you know, just you know, tell me, cause hearing you guys want to dance just means the world to me. Okay.